Anjuman Masjid Arrangement Committee has received a big blow from the Allahabad High Court. The High Court has refused to stay the puja that started again after 30 years in the basement of Vyas in Gyanvapi complex of Varanasi. On January 30th, orders were issued by the district court on behalf of the mosque committee to resume the worship in the basement of Vyas. Soon after the court order, the district administration of Varanasi opened the road leading to the basement of Vyasji and arranged for a priest appointed in the consultation with the Kashi Temple Trust to resume the worship at the temple. The mosque committee had approached the Supreme Court the same night against starting the puja in the basement of Vyasji, but they were disappointed there. The Supreme Court advised the mosque committee to submit an appeal before the Allahabad High Court. After being disappointed with the Supreme Court, the mosque committee appealed to the Allahabad High Court. Earlier, lawyer Vishnu Jain had filed a caveat in the Allahabad High Court on behalf of the Hindu side. Therefore, on 1st of February, Allahabad High Court had fixed the hearing for Friday, 2nd of February. At the beginning of the hearing, the Allahabad High Court started hearing the arguments of the mosque committee. After this, the arguments of the Hindu side were heard. The lawyers appearing on behalf of the mosque committee could not counter the arguments of the lawyer from the Hindu side. The lawyers of the Hindu side informed the court that the government had issued the verbal orders to district administration to stop the puja on the basis of the speculations. The lawyers from the Hindu side also stated that despite the temple being demolished by Aurangzeb, Vyasji's family had been worshipping at the same place for centuries. The lawyers of the mosque committee had no valid counter argument to counter the arguments of the lawyer of Hindu side. The High Court issued a notice to all the concerned parties in this case to present their views in detail and fix the hearing of case on February 6th. The Muslim side strongly told the High Court several times that the puja should be banned till the next hearing. The court didn't agree to this. However, the mosque committee may once again approach the Supreme Court against the puja that started in the basement of Vyasji. This is Meera Verma for Legally Speaking.